Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16 battery running fast on your iPhone or iPad. So if you have the battery running problem in your iPhone, that your iPhone is battery running fast, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is open your settings and scroll down, click on privacy and security, then click on location services and just simply turn off the location services. So once you have done this, then the next step is you have to remove unnecessary widgets from the home screen. So if you have added any widget on the home screen, make sure that you remove that widget from the home screen. You can hold on to the widget, then simply remove the widget, so it causes battery running issue. So once you have removed the widgets, the next step is disable background app refresh. For that you can go to settings, click on general, then click on background app refresh, then simply select off. So once you have disabled the background app refresh, now turn on auto brightness. For that you can go to settings, click on accessibility, click on display and text size, scroll down and you will find auto brightness. So if it's turned off, make sure that you turn this on. So once you have turned this on, then the next step is quit unnecessary apps. So if the apps are running in the background that you don't need, so make sure that you swipe up and remove all those apps. So next step is disable automatic download and app updates. For that you can go to settings. First of all, go to general and click on software update and make sure that you disable automatic software update. So once you have done this, now disable automatic download for apps. You can go to app store, then make sure that you toggle and turn these off, automatic download. And the next step is enable optimize battery charging. For that click on settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on battery health and make sure that you turn on optimized battery charging. Then the next step is turn on low power mode and then also make sure that you use dark mode. So once you have done this, and the last step is make sure that you update your device. For that you can go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if there is any software update available, make sure that you download that update and install it on your iPhone. So by doing all these steps, your iPhone will save battery and you will not face this battery running issue. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.